Hello everyone, let me show you how to cook beans with fried stew and plantain.
Cook it yourself.
You need beans, onions, salt, bouillon cubes, pepper, palm oil, whole dry fish, blended crayfish and plantain. I'm using my pressure pot, which reduces the cooking time and makes the beans soft faster than an everyday pot. I am cooking 3 cups of beans and I added 9 cups of water. I also added 1 whole onion and blended crayfish, then covered to cook for 45 minutes. Once this was done, I depressurized the pot. Please don't skip this step. Stay safe. I poured the beans into another pot with the water as it was almost dry. I added salt to taste. All you need to make your beans tasty is salt, crayfish, and lots of onion. I proceeded to mash the beans and covered it for 2 minutes before setting aside. To a pan, I added palm oil and left it to get hot. I added my roughly blended pepper. The exact ratio will be in the caption. I mixed it together and covered it to cook for 10 minutes. I opened again and added the fish and crayfish because I want the bones super soft. I mixed it together and covered it to cook for about 15 minutes. I opened the pot again, mixed my stew together, then added half of the big bouillon cube and salt to taste, then covered to cook for another 15 minutes before setting aside. I put a pan on fire and added oil, then left it to get hot. In the meantime, I am cutting the plantain in 2 different shapes in a bowl. You can watch both and let me know if you prefer the diced plantain style or the sliced plantain style with your beans in the comment section. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I prefer my plantain diced. After cutting this, I added salt to taste. I then proceeded to frying the diced plantain first, then the sliced one after. Can you believe I fried both batches of plantain without tasting it? food is ready. Thank you so much for watching. See you again soon.